Can machines truly understand the subtleties of human language? That's a question that's been bandied around by thinkers and futurists for years. As we delve into the realm of artificial intelligence and language processing, it's important to remember, language is not just a tool, it's a form of art, steeped in culture, context, and human emotion. Now, imagine a human brain. It's a marvel, isn't it? A complex web of neurons and synapses, firing and connecting, allowing us to process and understand language. We learn language through exposure, through trial and error, through context and emotional cues. We understand sarcasm, humor, and metaphors. We understand that the phrase, "it's raining cats and dogs," doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. Now picture artificial intelligence. It's not a brain, but a sophisticated network of algorithms and data points. AI language processing, or natural language processing, is a field of artificial intelligence that gives machines the ability to read, understand, and derive meaning from human languages. It's impressive, but it's not the same as the human process. AI language processing works through a system of patterns and probabilities. It's not about understanding, but about mimicking understanding. It's about scanning large amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions based on those patterns. It's about algorithms, not emotions. While a human might understand that "it's raining cats and dogs" is a metaphor for heavy rain, an AI might struggle. It doesn't understand context or emotion. It doesn't understand that language is an art. It sees language as a mathematical equation to be solved. AI language processing has come a long way. It's now used in everything from voice assistants to chatbots to translation services. It can understand and generate text. It can answer questions, and it can even write its own content. But it's still not the same as human understanding. The main points to remember about AI language processing are these. 1. It's based on patterns and probabilities, not understanding or emotion. 2. It's about mimicking understanding, not actually understanding. And 3. While it's come a long way and can do some impressive things, it's still not the same as the human process. So, the next time you ask your voice assistant a question or chat with a bot, remember, it's not understanding you in the way a human would. It's scanning your words, identifying patterns, and responding based on probabilities. It's a fascinating and complex process, but it's not the same as human understanding. It's not the art of language, but the science of it. And there you have it, a peek into the world of AI language processing, a world of patterns, probabilities, and algorithms, a world that's not quite human, but fascinating nonetheless.